It's all about you. You. That's what we talk about today. How you should talk to your audience to engage them more. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. Now if you're here and you're looking to start your YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. Engaging with your audience on YouTube is what helps lift your channel, grow a loyal base, and gets them to share, comment, like, and push you around all over the place to get you noticed. No matter how many videos you create, no matter how fantastic they are, without an audience, you're not going to be noticed outside your bubble. So you need to focus on the word you. As in you. Now, before I deep dive into the power of the word you and why you should use it more, I want to know, do you have any specific tips? Do you have any ways that you reach out and grab your audience to make them engage a little bit more? How do you make sure that they know that they are special and that you're talking to them? Please leave a comment down below. You! It's a fantastic word. It means you. The person that's sat here right now, staring at my fluffy face, enjoying my man nipples. You are important. You are the person that I want the attention of. You are the most important person on this video right now. You can comment, you can like, you can share. It's all about you. This video has been made for you. How many times have you gone to a YouTube video and it's like, hey guys, welcome, vlog, picture. Don't get me wrong, it's nice to be part of the guys. You know, welcome to the nation, welcome to the low gang. You're one of many. You're faceless. But if someone stares you right in the eyes and says, you are the person that I'm talking to, hello? Yes, you. Then you feel more connected, you feel more special. People are looking you in the eyes, and the conversation is between me and you. I don't know why I rubbed my man nipples in the middle of that, but bear with me. For you to engage people, use the word you. It creates a single connection. Me to you, you're more engaged with me. 2, ask more questions. Ask direct questions. If I'm making a YouTube video and I want communication, which I do, everybody wants communication, right? I'm not going to say, what do you think? Please leave a comment down below, because that's too broad. If I'm making a topic on the use of the word you in videos, I will ask you a leading question, like, what do you think about custom channel URLs? What do you think of Logan Paul? What do you think of walking into Japanese woods? What I've done there is, not only have I used the word you, so you've connected with me one-on-one, but I've also led you down the topic of discussion. So if I've asked, please comment down below, and you're like, I don't know what to comment, I've now directly asked you about Logan Paul, or about Philip DeFranco, or about Woodlands, or what do you think about PewDiePie? I've now given you a reason to comment about something rather than everything. 3, as a YouTube creator, think of your audience as one person. It could be one specific person. So in my mind, I might be talking to a specific client, or I might be talking to a specific family member, or I might be talking to just a friend. Or in some cases, you might be talking to your future self. So you can directly look at the camera. A very good example of this is the Vlog Brothers made an entire career out of just talking to each other. So Dear John and Dear Hank, that's how they open their videos, and they talk to that one person. That one person at the end of the camera. The reason why this is so important is if that you're disconnected and you're talking to the masses, it's like I could be giving you the most important information in the world, but I'm not looking anywhere near you, and it's slightly disturbing and disconnecting. Maybe you don't hear it properly. Maybe it's a bit awkward. But if I'm talking to you and I'm making eye contact with you, you're going to take it in more. You're going to focus more. You're going to pay attention to this video more. You're more likely to engage more. Maybe share, like, because you feel that personal connection and not me staring at a ceiling tile. Also, it's a very good way to hone down in a piece of information. If you're teaching someone something and it's one person, you can step through that method specifically for that one person, and then that one person is anyone that watches that video, because you've been so personal, so hands-on, so specific. Which leads to number 4. Help someone, help someone. That one person. focus on that camera, answer their question. Maybe they've commented in the comment section. How to engage. How to lead to more comments. I get video views, but I don't get comments. Why? That's when you take their problem, you make it your problem, and then you talk to them. I want to talk to you about your problem. So I look at the camera, I answer your question, and address you. At the end of the day, it's the way you build the audience. And I want to help you. I want to help you that's watching this video. Right? I want to know the questions that you want to ask me. I want to know the problems you're having with your channel. Because if you ask me, I can then make a one-to-one connection with you, and you're not the only one that's possibly asking that question. So ask me those questions in the comment section below, anything that you want a one-on-one video style with, and I'll go and create that content. But in the meantime, there are frequently asked questions videos up here in a playlist. But that's how you can engage with your YouTube audience. Now, for more tricks and tips, there's a free PDF up here in the description down below on how to grow and start a YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button for regular tricks and tips videos on how to start and grow your YouTube channel. Hit that notification icon so you're alerted every time a video goes live. You're not lost in the shuffle and YouTube doesn't screw you out of my wonderfully furry face. Go out there, start creating.